There are several ways to create new Google Forms. From your Google Drive, you can click on the New button, click on More, and choose Google Forms. Notice if you come all the way over, you have the option to choose from a template. If you want your forms to go in a specific folder in your Google Drive, open that folder first, then create your new form. The other option is to come to the Google Apps icon. Some refer to it as the waffle. Left click on it and look for Google Forms here. That'll bring you a list of all the Google Forms in your Google Drive. The other option is to open up a new tab, and in the omnibar type in form.new, hit enter, and this will automatically create you a new Google form. First thing you want to do is name your form. So you'll notice right here that it says untitled form. So I'm just going to call this delete later. Notice it only named the file here. It has not renamed it up here. So I have to actually left click in the upper left hand corner, and now it will name them the same thing. The name in the upper left hand corner is what you see in your Google Drive. So you definitely want to name this something that's going to help you find the form later. So use some key terms in there. Whereas this one is the title that people are going to see when they view your form, so you might want to name it differently.